she sworn to steal what she never could own, and raise from this hole she called home. Now you're at the wheel. Tell me how does it feel? So good to have equalized, to lift up the lids of your eyes.